What's up, class? It's Martin Tellez, and I am here to do my Mercury activity, which we are to explore a piece of Mercury's surface and discuss it, give you all a little information, and the one I chose to discuss was the hollows. As you can see this big crater right here. There's also hollowed ground, and there is, when you get a little closer, a song for Drila and a late Halloween. Um, those ones I did not choose to discuss. I wanted to show you all the hollows. Here's a quick look at it. It's just pretty big. So it is 56 miles across and can be seen pretty prominently on Mercury. It's one of the ones that you see the most crater wise. It was also taken by spacecraft Messenger when it went around and took a bunch of pictures of Mercury. Its latitude is -2.8 degrees, and its latitude is 353.6 degrees east. And I thought it was pretty cool because you can see it compared to the other craters, it's pretty big around it. So I thought that was cool and interesting. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope to talk to you on the next activity. Thank you.